We will apply generative AI's prompt engineering technique to produce commercial content, specifically sales copywriting phrases. Let's clarify the copywriting content we intend to generate using prompt engineering. Copywriting refers to the creation of text content with the aim of persuading potential customers to take a specific action desired by the company. This type of content is often shortened to just copy. A copy serves as the core message in marketing communication promoting products, services, brands, etc. Based on this copy, various content needed for mediums like TV, newspapers, magazines, etc. is produced. Let's take a closer look at the target service for which we intend to generate copywriting phrases. If you search for Starbucks Capucine, Paris, France on Google, various posts will appear. As the blog content suggests, it's a coffee shop but designed like a museum. Let's actually visit their main website. They have many branches geometrical information, but it lacks copywriting content to introduce based on these photos. Therefore, we will generate copywriting phrases for marketing the coffee shop, Starbucks Paris, using the prompt engineering technique. Currently, Chatgpt is unaware of the information regarding Starbucks Capucine, Paris, France. So, the first prompt plans to provide basic contextual information. This information will provide company details and set the topic for copywriting. The goal is to write an online copy to promote a gorgeous cafe. This copy is intended for use in various advertising channels. To summarize the request, the company branding and message should be vividly and attractively reflected in the copy. The target outcome is to create a copy that attracts customers seeking high quality and special coffee, a good experience based on the best place. Having provided this contextual information, the next step is to create a directive prompt. The directive prompt will be structured as: please write 3 ad copies for Starbucks using the structure of headline, subtitle, body copy, and CTA. A new session should be initiated to provide contextual information about the coffee shop for copywriting. The first prompt is delivered. As we discussed earlier, the first prompt provides basic contextual information about the cafe. Upon providing this context, the directive prompt is delivered. Based on this context, the directive prompt generates. Reviewing the generated ad copy, the headlines are as follows: Savor the art of coffee at Starbucks Capucine. Experience elegance at Starbucks Capucine. And immerse in the Starbucks Capucine Renaissance. I think the third ad copy looks good, so I will copy and use it. Based on this, another directive prompt will be added. Please rewrite the above copy by adding a sense of urgency and originality in expression. In response to this prompt, the previously generated headline, Immerse in the Starbucks Capucine Renaissance, has changed to Seize the moment at Starbucks Capucine. The CTA, Elevate your coffee experience. Join the Renaissance at Starbucks Capucine, became Don't just taste the change, be the vanguard. Make haste, the Renaissance awaits at Starbucks Capucine. In this way, we applied prompt engineering techniques to provide contextual information, derive desired results through directive prompts, and further enhance the derived results to produce meaningful copywriting.